expectations.
Previously on Holloway Ventures.
Today, we are going to use Play-Doh! Yeah!
Play-Doh can be found at any Dollar Tree. It's only $1. It doesn't really matter what color you get. It's kind of hard to come out.
Make his ass in rectangle, and then after that, I just rolled it. I'm making a shooting star so he can make a wish.
Oh, that's good. How's your mom? She's on camera? Well, I'm on camera.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Holloway Ventures. I'm Randy Colors, your host. Like and subscribe so that you will have these lessons available. Let's go over our expectations. Expectation number 1, you have to have a sheet of paper for the art class. And number 2, you have to have a pencil. If you don't, put the video on pause so you can get them. Today, we are going to create using one of the oldest forms of communication in history. It's one of my favorite. Cavemen used to use it a long time ago. Today, we are going to draw.
One of the best ways of expressing yourself is drawing. Drawing can show your thoughts and ideas to your friends. You can draw lines and shapes, and it'll make pictures and words. All you need is a blank piece of paper like this and something to draw with. The idea of drawing is millions of years old. Back then, people used sticks and rocks to draw on walls of stone. Today, we can use pencils and markers, paintbrushes and stylus pens, and anything you can find. People draw on clothes, ceilings, cars, and computers. All it takes is you and your imagination. Drawing is a fun way to create art.
There are so many fun things to draw and so many ways to do it. Did you know that writing was like drawing? You could draw lines to make letters. I wonder, who could help us draw lines to make letters? Look, it's Miss T Phonics.
All right, guys, so excited. So we use lines to write, which is really awesome. We use lines to make letters, and we use them to make sentences. So with a pencil, we're going to take our pencil and we're going to use a line to write the word line. So I have a marker and I wrote the word line. All right, guys, have fun creating with those pencils. Bye.
Are you ready? Me too. We can't do it here. We have to go over to Imagination Station. Can you imagine what you'll see when you ride along with me? We are going to a station that we call Imagination. Prep up, my friends. We're ready to begin. Click your thinker and you win, because we're starting in 3, 2, 1, 0.
So to start, we need our 2 supplies, a piece of paper and a pencil. And we're going to need one more thing for this. We're going to need something with a straight edge, like a ruler or a book. I'm going to use a book. What you do first is you do the same thing that we always do. Whenever we start art, we start with a dot. I want you to point to the center of the paper. The center of the paper. It's about right here. And you're going to put a dot right there. And next, you're going to take your book and you're going to use that as a straight line, or your ruler if you have one. And you're going to draw a line straight across. All the way across to the end of the paper. Notice I have to move my book to make sure that I get the line, so I have to keep it straight. I want you to practice that too. So my line goes all the way off the paper. And then you're going to draw a house with you standing out front. So don't draw a large house. Draw a small square with a small rectangle, and then a triangle on top with a small little chimney, maybe some smoke coming out, and then draw a picture of you on the side. Make sure that you can fit inside the door. So you're going to draw you really, really small to make sure you can fit. Hi, see you right there? You can actually fit inside of this house. So the next thing you're going to do is this. You are going to take your ruler or your book and you're going to make a triangle under here from this dot. So watch me. I'm going to take my book and I'm going to put it right here against the dot. Notice how I can see it. I press my pencil against it and I draw off the paper. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I have to turn my book, slide it across so that it's making a triangle shape. A triangle shape. I still have it up against the dot. I'm going to draw that line too. Notice I'm pressing my pencil against the book and I'm on the dot and I draw the line straight down. And I have my triangle. See that? Now, because I drew a picture of a house and, you know, now this separates the sky from the ground. So I'm going to put a nice little sun up here in the sky because I like the sun. And I'm going to put a cloud over here. And what I want you to do, ladies and gentlemen, is this. Take a look at the dot. And then I'm going to do a bunch of dashed lines coming from the center. It's going to give me the illusion that the house is really far away from me. Did you see how I did that? I'm going to now do this. I'm going to draw a huge M right here. And then by that M, I'm going to do, on one side, I'm going to do a W. And on the other side, I'm going to do another W to make mountains. I'm also going to do a small tree over here somewhere. But before I do that, I'm going to draw a large circle that's the same size as the house. Watch me. First, I'm going to draw a large circle that is the same size as the house. It's okay if your circle kind of looks like that. Or if it's not, you can also erase it if you want to and make it a little bit better, but just make sure that it's the same size as the house. You might have to be careful because you may not have much eraser left. After you have your circle, I want you to draw a big square underneath your circle. And then I'm going to draw 2 feet. A line and a circle, and another line and a circle, and a line and a circle for 2 arms, and another line and a circle. I'm going to put a happy face on it because we're always happy here in art. I'm going to put some hair on top. And look, is this person closer than this person? Notice it's giving us the illusion that this person is close to us and this person is far away. That is what we call 3D illusion. Now you can color your picture.
What's this? Look, Mr. Holloway. I made Black Panther. Can we get different?
Thank you so much for visiting with us here at Holloway Ventures. Holloway Ventures is on all your social media sites. Just search Holloway Ventures to venture with us. Thank you so much for coming. And until next time, goodbye, goodbye, until we meet again. Goodbye, goodbye, I'm so glad we're friends. Goodbye, goodbye, until we meet again. Goodbye, goodbye, I'm so glad we're friends. Until next time, take care.
Red and yellow and blue and green. It's the Holloway Ventures. It's for you and me. Colors, shape, painting, and more. It's the Holloway Ventures and the art store. Got red colors, yellow colors, blue colors. All right, big shape, little shape, funny shape. That's tight, painting for you. It's something you do. Got the shapes and the colors that are dynamite. So what's your venture? You got it? Come on and see, because art is the place to be.